Portugal's Job Seeker Visa, your ticket to starting a new career in Europe, even without a job offer. Portugal's Job Seeker Visa lets you enter the country and search for professional work, offering a unique start to your new European career. Collect key documents: a valid passport, proof of qualifications, recent CV, health insurance, and proof of financial means for your stay. You'll need to show sufficient funds, generally enough to cover your accommodation, daily expenses, and return travel from Portugal. Apply online through the official Portuguese government visa portal, upload all documents, and book your appointment at the nearest consulate. Attend your appointment, submit fingerprints, and wait for approval. If accepted, you'll get a visa to enter Portugal and start job hunting. Portugal's tech sector is booming. IT professionals are in high demand, with many startups and international companies hiring. Healthcare is another priority sector. Doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals are sought after in clinics and hospitals across Portugal. Engineering jobs are available, especially in construction, renewable energy, and urban planning, as Portugal's infrastructure projects expand. Optimize your job hunt, create a LinkedIn profile specifically highlighting your skills for the Portuguese market, use a professional photo and tailored headline. Attend networking events and career fairs in Portugal. These create real connections, which are often key to finding job opportunities locally. Translate your resume and cover letter into Portuguese. Make sure they're concise, clear, and customized for each position you apply to. Prepare for interviews by researching the company and practicing answers in both English and basic Portuguese to impress local employers. This visa could be your gateway to a new life. Portugal is waiting. Take the next step in your career journey today.